You have passed grade 12, and your targeted university, or college requires SAT score for admission. But did you what is SAT and where it comes from, how it's changed over time, or why it looks the way it does? Imagine 3 students all applying to the same university for the same program. Student A comes from a small rural high school in rural area where grading is done on a special scale from 1 to 7. Student B comes from a large public high school in a big city. Student C comes from an arts-focused charter school in Mexico, where teachers give comments instead of grades. How is this university supposed to compare these 3 students? The SAT is a test designed to solve that problem. The SAT is a standardized test used to assess high school students applying for college on a uniform scale. Students typically take it their junior or senior year. Every student taking the SAT takes the exact same test, so it's supposed to let colleges compare students from totally different backgrounds. An U.S. organization called the CollegeBoard develops and administers the SAT many times a year. Some students from all over the world take it only once, but many also take it twice or more. The SAT has gone through quite a few changes over the years. Up until 2005, it had 2 sections, math and verbal. That was the old SAT. Then it changed to a 3-section structure with math, critical reading, and writing sections and added a required essay. That was the new SAT. But now the applicants have to take the new SAT, as of March 2016. It has changed back to a 2-section test. The current SAT has 2 sections, math and evidence-based reading and writing. The essay is still there, but now it's optional. The scoring system has changed along with the test. The pre-2005 SAT was out of 1,600 points. The 2005 to 2016 SAT was scored out of 2,400 points with the essay included in that score. The new SAT is back on the 1,600 point scale, but now you get a totally separate score for the essay. On the SAT, you will find multiple choice, free response questions, and the essay. All the questions on the evidence-based reading and writing section of the SAT are multiple choice with 4 answer choices. The math section is mostly multiple choice, but it also includes 13 free response questions where you have to come up with the answer on your own. And of course, there's also the essay. The essay used to be required and part of the writing section, back when the SAT had a writing section. Now essay section is totally separate and also optional. Some colleges require it and others don't. The math section has 1 test, the math test. It's 80 minutes long. The evidence-based reading and writing has 2 tests, the reading test and the writing and language test. Reading is 65 minutes and writing and language is 35 minutes. The reading test is a revised version of the old critical reading section and the writing and language test is a revised version of the old writing section. When you take the SAT, you'll do all the math questions together, all the reading questions together, and all the writing and language questions together. The essay will be last and it's optional. If you take it, it's 50 minutes long.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe, and press bell icon, for quick intimation of new videos.